Right, we're back, picture straighter for the ones who asked. Today, day 4. We've been doing all the screeding. So we compacted all the type 1 this morning. Went and got some 6mm to dust. We had a nice 3 metre length of 2x4, which was cut down to the width of the block, the 2 blocks, as you can see in the video. And then what we do, so say the blocks in for this video are 50mm thick. We've cut the notches out of each end of the timber at 47mm. So it just gives you a few mil to whack with. Some people do 5mm, do you know what I mean? Do whatever, but do minimum 3mm. And that would just mean once it's compacted down at the end, you just know it's not going to be sunk. So, but technically your base should be good. Always make sure your prep work's done correctly, your base done correctly, and you shouldn't have any issues. But yeah, we've done this notch 47mm out of each end of the 2x4. And then obviously this is a nice easy one, it's just nice and straight, so we just one line, just graded back the entire way. I've had Alex just obviously keeping me topped up on my 6mm to dust, raking it outside to side, and then just continued to drag it back. We did one rough level all the way down, compacted the whole area, spent a few minutes on that, good bit of time on that, whacking that down. And then back at this top again and worked our way back down with our final layer. And yeah, that's it. That's just how you screed the base. There's a video up here on how to do that if you want to watch a bit more of an in-depth video on how to screed, which we did recently on a larger area. So yeah, check out that video. Didn't really touch on it yesterday, but obviously top tips when you're laying your blocks is to have your string line set up and use a boat level on your edges. I think that's everything. Let us know what you do differently in the comments. Let us know how your week's going. And that's it. Let's get into